pistol squat progressions. So easiest version is if you have rings or something to hang on to, one leg up, sit down onto your heel and push back out again. So then we'll work each side like that. If those are easy, we'll start going onto a chair, slowly down. You can go back up with two legs until you're able to go down and up again. So we want to go nice and steady. Try and control it the whole way, not just drop down and use your momentum up. So nice and steady down and up again. If that's okay, then we'll try and get something a little bit lower and progress that way.